Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sophie Love Lifestyle. How are you guys doing? I hope you're good. If it's your first time, guys, welcome on board. And to all my returning subscribers, big up yourself. So guys, I'm gonna have some breakfast and I'm gonna take you along with me, show you what I'm having. It's a new ingredient. So let's go, let's dive in. So I'm gonna use 4 pieces of bread and I'm gonna soften up the bread. So I'm gonna throw some water on the bread. Let it soak a bit. So we've got bell peppers, onion, we've got tomato, cherry tomato, we've got some coriander here, a bit of thyme, and I've got my spring onion, and I'm using 3 eggs today. Chop it up in tiny pieces, guys. We're going to get rid of the excess water from the bread. We're going to try and squeeze it all out. That's how it looks like. like and share the video, guys. If you like what I'm doing, give me a like, give me a share, and don't forget to subscribe. Pour oil in. Come on, right, meat. Guys, this is the end product. I'm gonna dive in it now. I'm gonna try this, and also my daughter is gonna try it, but she's not gonna come on the camera because she don't like camera. So, no. Stop laughing, Luna. Laugh too much. Come on, say hello to my people, man. So. Tell me if you like it, guys. I'm gonna try it. I know it's gonna taste good because it's the spices that I put in. It's gonna kick off. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Now, 1, 2. Oh my god. All this spices. Rich. The onion. The garlic. Spring onion. The thyme. You can taste the bread. can also taste the bell peppers.
What?
Try that one, girl. Very nice. So, mom?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you a small piece. I want you to taste it and tell me what you think.
So, ma'am, what you get?
If it's nice, if you like it. Because I know sometimes when you come on to new things, you don't like to try new things.
That's true.
So let me know if you like it. And I need the honest opinion.
Nice.
Honest
Very nice.
opinion.
You did it.
You did it? Really nice. It's the first I'm trying it.
How is this now?
It's more like a bread fritters.
Okay. You did it, man.
Bread fritters. Really nice.
Father, you can.
So how much you would get? You would rate me out of 10? 10 out of 10, 1 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 5 out of 10. How many?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Okay. Thank you very much. So why 8? Why not 10?
She's nice. Nice.
I know, but what's the difference? Why I didn't get a 10?
You can't get it then too.
No, but give me a reason why you don't give me the 10. Because 8 is okay. That's 80%.
We make mistake.
You make mistake.
Make mistake. Make 10.
10 out of 10. Alright. Oh dear.
Nice.
It's nice. So if you want some more later on, you can have it or no, whatever
Nice,
time.
man.
Get this thing. So guys, I hope you like this video. And if you like this recipe, you can always copy and try it
Very nice.
at home. You know, because we that's how we live. We copy each other ideas and do our own creativity. So try it, man, and tell me if you like you like the recipe so far. Give me a thumbs up, give me a share, and subscribe if it's your first time coming over here.
Very nice.
Yes, because see my mom keeps saying very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, mom. So you tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe, man. No delay.
Yes.
Nice.
Nice. All right, guys. So I'm gonna catch you in my next video coming out very soon. All right. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day. Big up on yourself.
Right.
One love.